Next one on the list here is going to be SOGP, and this is one that member of our happy hour was talking about and trading for a long time. He got a couple of his wealthy friends into it, and they made stacks of cash. Unfortunately, I didn't have this one. SOGP Sound Group shares are trading higher following the release of its H1 financial results. Additionally, the company announced it has approved a special cash dividend of 0.005 per share, or $1 per ADS. So it sounds like you're going to get half of a penny per share. Now, American buyers, they're going to have the American depository shares, right? They're going to have the ADS, so they should get $1 per ADS. From the way I read that, let me know if I'm wrong about that.
That's the way I understand it, unless I'm wrong.
Okay, a quick look, really quick there, 13. I'll turn it over to you here in a sec. Quick look around the horn. 1.15% of the float shorted. Oh my, wrong click. Way to go, Rhino. 1 day to cover on that, and the average volume on this 645,000 today. We've traded 2 million. Floats 4.3. What do you think, 13?
So I guess one of the things I'd be wondering is if the balance sheet numbers are correct, or if they are in a different currency denomination. Because if they have $441 million, then I don't think they're really needing to raise capital. It seems like they'll be okay for a little while. They do go through a good amount of it every year at this rate. They used to be profitable. They're not anymore.
I believe this one was this was a China one, right? Worldwide audio-centric social. It leverages broad product portfolio and in-house technologies. Yeah, I can't remember what I remember not taking this because I thought it was too risky. It may be a China name, but here we are.
And that's kind of what I was wondering about, if the numbers are on the balance sheet that we're seeing here in Pro are in dollars or RMB, and they might be in RMB. If that's the case, then they have a lot less cash than I thought. So I really can't speak too much fundamentally on this one because I don't know how accurate the numbers are. So let me just go to the chart and tell you what I see there. And this one is now trading right above. Nope, we're above that too. So there was a bit of a resistance area at around 440, and we're above that right now. So that's going to be support. The next area of resistance that I see is going to be around 520, 525. And then after that, it's going to be closer to 6, just shy of 6, like 590. Then we have this high back here from July of 689. So those will be the next 3 areas I'd be keeping an eye on if we're going to get more upside here. Otherwise, we're going to want to keep an eye on that 65 EMA on the daily chart. Let me go to a 5-minute, see what else we have here. 65 EMA on the 5-minute is down at 415. So that could be another area of support if the 425 area doesn't kick in first.
Okay. Really good stuff on that. Thinking about it says, is this a sound investment? I see what you did there.